What's up, everybody? Derek here, and welcome to River Bend down here in South Texas. We're going to play 9 holes at a place I've never even seen. We got a pin tucked way back there, par 4, 390. We got a pond right here we got to cover, which shouldn't be hard. Haven't hit a single golf ball yet, so let's see how we do. We got a huge left to right wind. I mean, it's coming in 25 miles an hour probably. So let's see what we can do here and put it out there. Just a smooth, easy peasy swing. I ain't going to try to kill it or nothing. That wind's going to carry it on its own. There we go. Yeah, it is carrying it. Straight at the hole. I might have hit the golf cart path. Let's go see what we got. So our app says exactly 100 yards from here. So I'm going to call that a pitching wedge. And I ain't gonna hit it hard. All right, we got a win. It almost looks with that flag. There it goes. We get this ball up, it's definitely gonna want to kick right. So we're gonna have to aim left on this one. Just see how this does. This wind can be so difficult some days. I feel like we're playing a links course today. Take a practice swing. All right, there we go. Looks like we're lined up here. Ooh, that's cutting big time. Ooh, that's a soft green. I mean, we on. Not a bad shot. Wow, these greens actually look really nice, but goodness, this wind is howling. Look at that flag. Wow, these greens are nice looking. All right. Well, sprinkling. It looks fairly straight. I have not practiced putting on these greens, but obviously they looked really slow. They look really slow, especially I can feel how wet they feel too here. So, way it's traying. Let's see. Right in there somewhere. This is a tough one. Okay. I do not know my control yet on this, so just to get it close, I'll be happy. Oh, faster than I thought. Ooh. That's what I get for not practicing. I gave it way too much. All right, so now we got an approach shot that was nice setup. We had a birdie opportunity. And now if we don't drop this, we're bogey. So we're already starting behind. I got to judge these putts better. I don't like this. Yeah, it's going to break right a little bit. And now we got rain. Oh, and I pushed it. Not a good start we're looking for. Well, we made it to hole number 2, and the groundskeeper just told us that they took away the black tee box because of hogs down here rooting up this stuff. So we actually have to move up on this one. So it according to GPS, it says 165 from right in here in this area. So I'm going to do something I don't usually do. I'm going off of my distance with one of my irons. That's my 9-iron. 165, and the reasoning is because this wind is going straight at it. So if we get it above this tree line over here, it's going to carry some more. So hopefully this works out. And even if we're short, we're chipping up there. Clear my club face. We're aligned. Okay. Oh, cut, baby. Cut, baby. Oh, we're on the green putting. Wow, this is a long green. I didn't realize how long it is, but with that putt, that's maybe a 15-foot putt, something like that. Oh yeah, it's definitely going downhill here. Ooh, that's uphill. That is definitely uphill. And it looks to me that's going to break left. And not a lot, but it's going to break left. Let's see if we can get it close or either drop it. We need to get a birdie, but par will work too. That was a good read, good distance control for our second hole. Par. Well, we got a par 5 finally. It's 527 it says down there. We got a wind in here. It's been coming right to left and then switching to my back. And it narrows that down there. So we got about 290 to 300, but I'm going to crank on it and see what happens. I'm going to aim out there towards the middle, kick my right back, and just have a smooth swing. Oh, that was pretty. Oh, it is rolling, rolling, rolling. Get down there, baby. Well, as you see, we almost made it to the cart path right here. It's 305 from the tee box, and I did the math, so we got a 222 shot to the blue flag that's down there across this little ravine. The wind is right to left, big time. I got a 5-iron, so I'm going to try to not flush it, just get it up there with a smooth swing and see what exactly happens. If it's short, I'm happy with that, because this one, if I flush that thing, it is in the brush. So I'm going to aim right. That wind is going to carry it. Here we go. I didn't get all of it, but at least we are up there closer to the hole, and we got a good little chip there. You gotta be kidding me, right? Look at this wind. It's like a 30-mile-an-hour wind out here. Our ball's right here. We got a good shot at it for birdie, but chances of making this are slim to none. And it's obviously tilting downhill, so we're gonna have to aim right here. Give it just enough. That looks about right. All or nothing for bird. It was tracking and then it went downhill. Par. Oh well. Alright, we got us a par 4, 467 yards. It dog legs left around this corner, so we got a little hump right here. I'm going to try to play it up here. Try to do a stinger type shot maybe. See how we fare here. Right down the middle. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. Cranked it. Ooh, that's some crazy funky dirt. Let's go get it. All right, we only hit this one about 270 or so. That wind really knocked it down. And plus it was a stinger type shot. So not too bad, but we got 200 shot up to the hole. I got my hybrid, my 3 hybrid. So let's see if we can get it up there. This is going to be a right to left shot. Check my aim. All right, here we go. Oh, got a hold of that one. Oh, cart path on the hill, rolling back down. So it's a good shot. I was just off a little bit right. That I laid it so low that wind had no effect on it. I think from now on, if I have these lower lying clubs, I'm gonna really, and I'm doing those stinger shots, I'm gonna have to aim more straight on. Yeah, we really ended up flushing it a little bit off to the right. So this is a hard shot. That's some hard stuff. So we'll get a little bit of bounce. This has got to be a good shot. Downhill. Let's just see if we can get it close. Oh, I pushed it right a little bit. A lot. Ew. The distance control wasn't too bad. It's just we were off to the right a little bit. So let's see if we can knock this thing in here. Can already tell this is downhill, so we're gonna have to aim left here. This is for par. Whew. We are struggling. Broke a little more than I wanted to. Bogey golf. Well, we got 292 yards on a par 4, so it's a short par 4. Let's see if we can just get it up there. We got 2 bunkers up in front. So what I'm going to try to do is just get it up there. If I end up in a bunker, I'm in a bunker. And aim straight at it and crank it up there. Low lying stinger, straight at it. It's rolling. That looks like it's bunker bound. But the wind didn't carry it. Dead at the flag. Well, it did what I thought it was going to do, and straight at the bunker and straight at the flag. So we do have an open shot here. We're just going to have to make a good bunker shot. Some decent type sand here. I'm going to open my club face. See if I can't get it up there. Oh, I pulled it a little bit to the left. Dead on line if I would have just been over a little bit to the right. Now we got a birdie putt. Now we have a birdie putt here. Not too far away. Maybe 10 to 12 foot. Gonna break a little bit to the right. Oh, and I pushed it. We had a chance for birdie. Totally messed it up. But we got a par. Oh, we got another par 5. And this is a long one. 495. I'm just going to crank on it. See what happens. This wind is cooking it right to left. I don't know what else to do here. So I'm just going to put it out there. I'm gonna crank this right arm back, this right shoulder, straight down the middle. Nice, right down the middle. We got 206 to the pin down there and some water to carry. Got 180. I got my 3 hybrid. We hit it about 290, so let's see if we can get it down there. Oh, I think it carried. Well, we are down here below the green. We didn't quite make it on the carry, but we got a good little shot here. Let's just get it up there. Oh, stop, stop, stop. We got a birdie shot. And this is what we got left. Cleanup for birdie. God, we need this too. Putting with the glove. Hopefully that's good luck. It didn't break. It kissed the edge. Man, we were parring. We got to have some birdies to drop. Here we go again. Par 4, 390 yards. Lots of bunkers to the right. I am going to see if I can crush this thing. We got a left to right wind now, so I don't know. Let's see. Nice. Not a bad hit. Let's go. All right, it's saying we got 130 yards up there to the flag, so I can't tell if it's front side or middle or what, but it looks front side. We got a bunker to that right, so I'm going to have to carry this just left of the flag probably. Oh, and it's cutting into the bunker. No! Above the bunker. So we're chipping. All right. I remember Scotty Scheffler making a chip like this not too long ago. It was funky. I think I'm going to have to do something similar. This is funky. I'm going to choke way down. See if we can just get it up there close. Wow. Did not expect that. All right. Crazy little chip that we just had, and now we need this birdie. I can tell the whole green sloping down towards me. It looks straight, actually, so let's align this, go straight in. There we go, birdie. All right, it says we got a par 3, 190 yards. We'll see if that's correct or not. I got a 5-iron here. So let's see if we can put it up there. Ooh, that wind's getting a hold of it. Well, we on the green. Sheesh, this is going to be a long putt. We're down there on the front side. Look how big this green is. This thing is massive. Well, look at this long putt. We're way down here. close. Just get it close. Looks like it breaks left. See what we can do. Are you serious? It's got a line. All right. We just need to make that. Par. All right, we got a par 4, 495 yards with a 25 to 30 mile an hour wind. So I'm going to crank on it with the driver and just see where it ends up. Low line sucker. Not a bad hit for that wind. A little stinger. We got 212 in our face and it is crazy wind. I'm going to aim for that white building up there. I just got to get it up there. This is 212 with this kind of wind. Ain't no way. Oh, it is just killing it. Just short of the green though. Wow. All right, we got us a nice little shot here. If I can make a good little chip. This is going to be difficult with this kind of wind though. Got a little bit harder ground now. Oh, way too much. That wind didn't kill it down as much as I would like. Yeah, it's a little uphill. It's about a 15-foot putt here. 15-yard putt. 15 foot up. Well, no, 15 foot. Out of my mind right now. Downhill. Crazy wind. I feel like I'm playing a links course. Keep rolling. That was a good line. Ooh, almost didn't give it enough. Well, looks like we just barely parred this entire course for the 9. This was fun. But let me know what you guys think and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.